Hi folks, today I want to talk to you about investing in penny stocks and shares as opposed to investing in large companies. Now, the reason you can make a fortune from investing in penny stocks is because they are cheap to buy. And when I say cheap to buy, I'm not talking about paying 10 cents for a share or 50 cents for a share. What I'm actually saying here is that by investing in a penny stock, you're investing in a small cap company, and basically, say you buy 50 cents a share in a small cap company that's capitalized at 20 million. If that company then goes on to be worth 500 million, your initial investment at 50 cents a share becomes worth 25 times what you initially put into it. So let's just demonstrate exactly how much you could make with this scenario. Okay, so you come along and you put $1,000 in at 50 cents a share. That company at the time of investing is worth $20 million. Okay, and you hold on to it, and the company does really well, and in the end it's no longer worth 20 million, it's worth 500 million. So it's a $500 million company. Obviously that's big growth, but assuming that you've held on all that time and you haven't sold any of those shares, your 50 cents a share investment becomes worth 25 times what you initially put in. So your $1,000 investment then becomes worth $25,000, and that's the power of investing in penny shares. Now, the fact of the matter is, when you're investing in huge market cap companies that aren't penny shares, your investment is safer, but the percentage of growth is going to be a lot smaller. If you invest in a company that's worth $1 billion, it's very unlikely that company is going to be worth $2 billion anytime soon, and it's certainly not going to suddenly rack up and be worth 25 billion, given that it was already a massive company to begin with. Okay, so I'm sure that you're starting to see the advantages of going for smaller cap shares and companies rather, and investing in penny shares. I want to give you a URL now. I've set up a site that teaches you all about it and gives you some advice that I've gained in investing in penny stocks. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, is head on over to penny stock investing tips.com. Okay, I'll put a link on the right of this video as well. If you just click on that, you go straight to the site and you can read more about making money with penny stocks. Okay.